In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the super admin in Zoho CRM. Before we start, a quick note on what this change means. The super admin is the primary owner of your Zoho CRM account. This role typically controls billing, subscription management, and certain organization-wide configurations. Only one person can hold it at a time, and in most cases, you need to be the current super admin to transfer it. Make sure the person you plan to assign is an active user in your CRM, and someone who should own the account going forward. Begin by opening Zoho CRM and heading to the home page. From there, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That gear opens the settings area, which is where organization-level changes live. Click it to continue. Inside Settings, find and select Company Settings. This takes you to your organization's company details, where you can review information like your company name, domain, and ownership. To make changes, look for the pencil icon on this page. That pencil is the Edit control. Click it to enable editing of the fields shown. Within the editable view, locate the Super Admin field. This is where you'll specify who should become the new Super Admin. Click the field to open the list of available users, then carefully select the person you want to assign. Take a moment to double-check you've chosen the correct user, as this action transfers account ownership responsibilities. If you don't see the intended person in the list, it usually means they aren't active in your organization or don't meet the requirements yet. In that case, resolve that separately before proceeding. Once the correct user is selected, click Save. Zoho CRM may display a confirmation message to make sure you intend to transfer ownership. Review the prompt and confirm if everything looks right. After saving, the change typically takes effect right away. The new super admin will receive a notification, and you'll see the updated owner reflected in the company details. A few practical tips as you wrap up. If you run into a permission error, sign in with the account that currently holds super admin status and try again. If your organization relies on integrations or billing tasks managed by the current owner, let your team know about the change so they're aware of the new point of contact. Finally, revisit company settings to verify the update was applied as expected. That's it. You've successfully changed the super admin